Hello, good morning. So today we're going to do the 15 minutes morning yoga flow, and I actually do this whenever I'm running really busy with the schedule of like a full patient list and I've got really short time, I have to do everything in the day. So see how you go with this. This should make you feel so different, and it's more important to practice regularly than going for long hours just once or twice a week. All right, so let's get started.
Let's begin with standing. Bring your feet hip width apart, knees soft, and now start to bounce gently on your toes. Let your arms hang loose. Maybe lift them by your side like this. Let this movement ripple through your whole body. This may feel silly at first, but it's one of the fastest ways to wake up your lymph, boost your circulation, and bring prana, life energy, into flow. Bounce in different directions, sideways, front and back. In ancient yoga, shaking was used to release stagnation, to clear heaviness from the body, mind, and emotion. Slow down. We wouldn't stop immediately, so slow down the moments and then come to a pause. Feel the energy activating your nadis and chakras. You can close your eyes and simply notice the buzz inside your body. Let's now do the 3-part breath, which will fill your lower belly, ribs, and then upper chest fully. So let's stand tall. Place your right hand on your belly, left hand on your chest. Inhale slowly through your nose. Feel your belly rise first, then your ribs expand, and finally your upper chest lift. Exhale through your nose, emptying your upper chest first, then your ribs, and then the belly. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Let's move into our simple sun salutation. We'll only do 1 round, but feel free to do more if you've got time. Start with hands close to your chest. Inhale, arms up, forward fold. Right leg goes back, half lift. Left leg comes back to come into plank. Lower your knees, then chest and chin to floor. Coming into Ashtanga Namaskara with 8 points touching on the ground. Slide forward into Cobra and then lift into Downward Dog. Right leg steps forward, look up, bring the left foot forward and fold and rise again, hands to heart. We've done a short video where we do this flow with mantras. It's really powerful with the sounds. When you're ready to go deeper, you can do that. I'll link that below if you'd like to try it later. Then let's do the other side. Arms rise up and fold. Left leg steps back. Then the right. Come into plank. Lower down your knees, chest, chin. Come into Cobra, Downward Dog, left foot forwards, then right, and fold and rise back to the heart center. Let's now move into the triangle and reverse triangle. Step your feet wide, arms open, reach forwards, tilt down to your left. So hand to your left knee or foot. Stay here for 3 breaths. Make sure your pelvis remains in line with your body. Do as much as comfortable. Then the right side. If you want to explore the benefits of these deeply, we have got a separate flow that goes into details of most of the poses we're going to do today. I'll link that below as well. Beautiful. Now let's rise up and twist your spine this time with your left hand going to the right knee or right foot. Again, whatever's more comfortable. And look backwards. Doing this reverse triangle pose. And then the other side. Right hand goes to your left foot or left knee. Again, whatever's more comfortable. Amazing. Let's test your balance now. The warrior 3 pose. So stand on your left leg. Arms reach ahead. Right leg lifts backwards. Keep your hips leveled. You can bring your hands to your heart or stretch them forwards and hold. Other side, stand on your right leg this time. Left leg lifts backwards and hold. It's okay to wobble, just stay steady in your breath. Beautiful. Moving on to Utkatasana. Bend the knees, arms up like you're sitting in a chair. Hold this position. It looks a bit like squat, however here we focus on a point and keep the knees, hips and hands 45 degrees bent only. Great. Once you've learned this and you know that your knees are not crossing your feet and you're mainly pushing your hips back, now we're going to do 10 of these. Alright, so 10th one is done. So let's do 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Amazing. Now staying in this chair pose, lower all the way down into a deep squat, Malasana. Get your hands into a namaste position so that your elbows are pushing your hips outwards. Make sure that your forearm is parallel to the ground. Now this is especially good in the mornings. It stimulates digestion so much. This is one of the poses where I sit and have my water first thing in the morning. We will do a separate video on that for sure. That's another topic. All right. Now let's sit on your knees and create some distance between your feet so that your buttocks can rest on the floor. So sit between your heels to come into this pose called Virasana. I'm personally working a lot on this one these days. Works very well on my hip rotators. Beautiful. Now let's do the reverse plank. I like this one. It's opposite to what we are doing most of the day. Stretch your legs forward, place your hands behind you. Remember, your fingers should be pointing towards your feet. Lift your body up, lift your hips up. Reverse plank. This is so important, especially if you spend a lot of time at the desk. Also during most of our workouts, we often work the front body more, planks, crunches, but the back body matters just as much. Great, let's wrap up the poses with 3 core moves and then we'll cool down. So first is the boat pose. Balance on your sit bones, lift your chest up, legs up, your fingers, eyes and toes in one line. Hold. Great, let's do side plank now. Let's do the left one first again. So coming onto your left elbow, body in one straight line, stack the feet on top of each other and hold. Let's do the other side. If you're too good at this one, you might balance on your hand as well rather than your elbow. That's one stage forwards. Great, let's now do the Superman. Lie on your belly and lift your arms and legs up and hold. Beautiful. Let's cool down. Let's do the seated forward fold first. So extend both your legs forwards, feet flexed. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to fold forwards. Don't force, just relax the back and allow the breath to settle you deeper. Good. Feel the stretch. Great. Now for the next one, sit tall and cross-legged if possible, or you can keep your legs extended. If you can put your right foot on your left thigh and left foot on the right thigh, that would be an amazing position to do the stuff that we're going to do. Now push both your arms back, see if you can interlace your fingers and then bend down as much as you can. Feel the stretch from your hip to fingertips. Great. We will end with some breath work now. This breath work is something that I can't even begin to fully describe in words. Even a single buzz with this Brahmari sound can activate multiple subtle energy channels in your body. Benefits are just innumerable. So let's gently close your eyes. Let's close your ears with your thumbs. Index finger rests lightly near the eyelids. Middle finger on the sides of the nose. Ring fingers above the lips. And little fingers just below the lips on the chin. You can look at this pose once so that you have an idea of how we are keeping our hands. Beautiful. Now take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, make this soft humming sound like a bee. Let's do it 2 more times. Inhale. Inhale. Let this vibration settle. Slowly release your hand and gently lie back into Shavasana. Let your whole body melt into stillness. Feel the spaciousness within you, the lightness in your body, and clarity in your breath. Thank yourself for showing up. May your day carry the sense of calm, strength, and presence. Namaste.